Okay, now I am going to give the one table. This table is very important. In this table the valencies of some common ions and symbols is there. Okay, names and symbols of some ions, their valencies also we can find out by this symbol. Okay, this is a very important. In this table valency and name of ion and symbols is there. Valency is there and name of ions is there and symbols is there. Okay, so based on this table we have to write the chemical formulas and some rules also there. How can we write the chemical formula? Some rules also there. I will explain about that rules also, but just you have to observe, very important, you have to by heart valency, name of ion and symbols. Okay, name and symbols of some ions. Name and symbols of some ions. Okay, name and symbols of some ions. Now, okay, now you can see this is a table. In this table, this is the first column is a valency. First column, what is the first column? Valency. First column is a valency. Second column, name of ion and their symbol. Here second column is the name of ion and symbol. Name of ion and symbol. Third column, non-metallic element. Non-metallic element and their symbol. Non-metallic element and their symbol. Fourth column, polyatomic ions and their symbols. Polyatomic ions and their symbols. So this is the name and symbols of some ions. First, valency. Here valency, what is the valency? How can we define the valency? The combining capacity of an atom or the combining power of an atom is called valency. If valency 1 means that atoms or ions are combined with only one other atom of element. For suppose valency 1 is a sodium ion valency 1. What is the symbol of sodium ion? Here they are asking the sodium ion symbol. Sodium means that is a atom. Atom is different and ions is different. Already we are discussed about the ions. How can we define by the definition? Ion is a charged species. Charged means either positive, either negative. Here, name of ion, sodium is a Na plus. Symbol is a Na plus. And potassium is a K plus. Silver is a Ag plus. Copper is a Cu plus. Copper in liquid state, it is a Cu plus. Okay, these are the valency 1 elements, ions. Valency 1, sodium, potassium, silver, copper. See here, plus charge only there, 1 plus is only there. So this is valency of ions is a 1. And next, non-metallic elements. So non-metallic elements, what are the non-metallic elements is there? Non-metal, hydrogen is a non-metal. So many non-metals is there. Hydrogen, what is the symbol of hydrogen? Only one valency. One valency means only one place. Okay. Next, hydride. hydride. Hydrogen means H plus. Hydride means which? Hydride means H minus. Ion means maybe either positive charge or maybe negative charge. Okay, positive charge is there means we can call cation. Negative charge is there means anion. Okay, here hydrogen means H plus. Hydride means H minus. Next, chloride. Chloride symbol is a Cl minus. Cl minus. Next, bromide. Symbol of bromide is I minus. Sorry, Br minus. Symbol of bromide is a Br minus. Next, iodide. Iodide is a I minus. I minus. Next, polyatomic ions and symbols. Polyatomic ions. Their valence is also 1 only. We are discussing about the valency 1 ions. In that ions, some ions is there, some non-metallic elements is there, some polyatomic ions is there. Ammonium. Ammonium. So what is the formula of ammonium? Symbol. Ammonium symbol is a NH4 plus. NH4 plus. And hydroxide. And hydroxide OH minus. Hydroxide is the OH minus. And nitrate. Nitrate. Nitrate is a NO3 minus. And hydrogen carbonate. Hydrogen carbonate. Hydrogen carbonate is a HCO3 minus. Hydrogen carbonate HCO3 minus. So these are the valency 1. Valency 1 of the some ions and non-metallic elements and polyatomic ions. Next I am going to discuss about the valency 2 elements, ions. Valency 2. So valency 2, magnesium, calcium, zinc, iron, copper. Magnesium, sorry, this is a not liquid. Copper is a valency 1. We can represent in Roman letters. Okay, here copper plus is there, no? This is a Roman letter. We can represent, plus is there means plus means 1. 1 we can represent in Roman letters. Okay, next, magnesium, valency 2, magnesium. Magnesium Mg plus 2. Here plus 2 we are writing. Why? Because valency 2. Name of ion is a, which ions are having the valency 2? Magnesium and calcium. What is the calcium? Ca plus 2. Ca plus 2. And zinc. Zinc is a Zn plus 2. Zn plus 2. And iron. Iron 2. Fe plus 2. This is a Roman letter 2. That means its oxidation state 2. Next, copper. Cu plus 2. Next, copper Cu plus 2. These are the valency 2 ions. And non-metallic elements. What are the non-metallic elements? Oxide. Oxide O2 minus. And sulfide. Sulfide S2 minus. S2 minus. And polyatomic ions? Carbonate, sulfide, carbonate. What is the carbonate symbol? CO3 minus 2. Minus 2 or 2 minus also we can write. Sulfide. Sulfide SO3 2 minus or minus 2. Sulfate SO4 2 minus, SO4 2 minus. This is a sulfate. Now last one, valency 3. Which elements is there? Valency 3 elements. Name of ions: aluminium ion is there, iron is there. Aluminium, Al, how much we can write? Charge plus 3. And iron, here iron 3, Fe plus 3. And non-metallic element. What is the non-metallic element? Here non-metallic element is a nitride. What is the symbol of nitride? N3 minus, uppercase. 3 is uppercase. Okay. And last one, polyatomic ions is a phosphate. Phosphate. What is the symbol? PO4 minus 2. PO4 minus, sorry, minus 3. PO4 minus 3. This is a phosphate. Okay. This is about the name and symbols of some ions and their valencies. Name and symbols of some ions and their valencies. Okay. This table is very, very important. By this table, by these charges and valencies only, we have to write the chemical formulas of elements. So everyone should by heart this symbols and polyatomic ions, non-metallic elements and ions and their valency. Valency 1 which elements, valency 2 is which ions, valency 3 is which ions. You have to by heart. Okay. I will send this table clearly. Okay. Thank you.